You're going to love this one. This is the world's healthiest, most delicious smashed potato taco. And it's just 2 ingredients. That's right, 2 ingredients. I promise this is going to be one of your favorites. Let's go. So since we're doing smashed potato tacos, obviously ingredient number 1 is potatoes. These are the yellow flesh potatoes. And all you have to do is take your potatoes, take 2, 3, however many you're going to make, and boil them. You've got to boil them first. I started boiling the potatoes a little while ago. So rather than have you watch me for 20 minutes boil a potato, the potato's already boiled. We're going to take it out and start to smash it. All right, so we're about to smash a potato. I turned on the oven, so that's heating up to 350 degrees because we're going to bake this in a few minutes. But first, I just take a glass at the end and we just give a nice smash, nice and even. Look at that beautiful artwork. Then before it goes in the oven, we're just going to drizzle just a little bit of olive oil on it, just a little. Then a little bit of salt and a bit of pepper. And that's it. It's going to go in the oven for about 15, 20 minutes. And look at that. More magic. The potato done. Now, I say that people make these crispy tacos and fold up a nice taco shell. Mine never come out that well, so it comes almost like a potato pizza. But we've got ingredient number 1. What is number 2? Now, if we want to make it truly healthy, we need a really good ingredient. And we are going with my favorite. We are going with sardines. That's right. Boneless. I got the boneless and the skinless, and we're going to put it right on top of the taco. Here we go. Don't be shy. And actually, about half a can for each potato. And then you can try to fold it up as a taco. Mine never really works that well, so I like to eat my taco with a fork. But that is it. You've got the potato, you've got the protein from the sardines, and it goes really, really well together. It really is delicious. If you never tried it, you should give this a shot. The smashed potato taco with sardines. If you like this, you want more, just hit the subscribe button. That's it. You'll see more of these crazy little off the beaten path recipes that'll keep you feeling good and are easy to make. We're not pretentious here. We just cook with what we got. I'll see you in the next one.